Assalamualaikum and hello. We are from Group 5 and would like to present to you our discussion on the issue of technological advancement in the era of COVID-19. Coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, has posed a significantly impacted an individual life due to the increase of the positive cases of COVID-19 every day at an alarming rate globally. Every individual must revisit the global norms. Therefore, new policies were introduced to change the entire geopolitical system, such as lockdown and social distancing measures during the pandemic that has resulted in technological advancement and new means of interaction with government, business, and citizens.
So I'm going to talk about the problem statement for this issue. The COVID-19 pandemic crisis has resulted in an unprecedented impact on societies all over the world. The majority of the world population has been forced to dramatically change their patterns of behavior with regard to the number of daily activities they had previously thought of as automatic or common. In the period of the COVID-19 pandemic culmination, many countries issued various measures and stay-at-home instructions. Thus, these issues lead us to the problem statement, which is the restriction on movement and travel. Because of that, it brings to the second problem statement, which is the limitations of direct contact with people. Last but not least, another problem statement here is a necessary change in active lifestyles. Next, we're going to the solution for the issue. The outbreak of COVID-19 followed by lockdown led to a significant shift in the shopping system of the people. According to a survey, the hunger for online shopping has risen from 45% to 65% during the long lockdown period. Online shopping is changing every dimension the world purchases, whether it is fashion apparel or electronics. Online shopping is ruling the global market, and technology has transformed the way of shopping, whether online or in person. Even before the COVID-19 pandemic inflicted massive health and economic catastrophe, contactless payments were already widely used payment method. However, once the business reopened, they had to keep in mind the germ-conscious customers and adapt to the new normal of social distancing. Contactless payments have emerged as an essential solution for all business as it enables them to drive their business forward along with ensuring safety to combat the coronavirus pandemic. Technology can be implemented in remote working, which is work from home, and online learning. Remote work is a working style that allows professionals to work outside of a traditional office environment. It's based on the concept that work does not need to be done in a specific place to be executed successfully. Email and electronic diaries allow you to arrange meetings and transfer documents, while wireless technology allows you to meet anywhere, anytime, any place. Mobile phones and laptop computers with wireless internet access mean that your employees are always accessible and can work wherever they are. Aside from workers, the COVID-19 has resulted in schools shutting down all across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion children are out of the classroom. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms.
Recommendations and justification for possible solutions. During a pandemic, more people have transformed online shopping from occasional to a must globally to minimize the movement. The survey conducted by UNCTAD and Netcom Swiss e-commerce association in collaboration with the Brazilian Network Information Center (NIC) and Invon shows that online purchase have increased by 6 to 10 percentage points across the most product categories. Contactless payments are now seen as an effective way for helping business to overcome the ill effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Even the WHO seems to suggest the same. According to WHO, when possible, it would be advisable to use contactless payment to reduce the risk of transmission. E-wallets, electronic wallets, or mobile wallet solutions enable users to make payments easily, safely, and conveniently.
Recommendation and justification for a possible solution. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted education in over 150 countries and affected 1.6 billion students. In response, many countries implemented some form of remote learning. The education response during the early phase of COVID-19 focused on implementing remote learning modalities as an emergency response to preventing the coronavirus outbreak spread. Remote working has helped save several unnecessary meeting hours and providing flexibility to the business employees.